Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video we shall be looking at another result. So here this result tell us that if we have some group G, right, and H and K, right, H and K, they are two finite subgroups of that group G. Then for that particular subgroups, those particular subgroups H and K, we may first of all define this subgroup which is HK. This is basically a subset, right? It may or may not be a subgroup depending on what is the subgroup that we are talking about. So we have H and K. It is defined by taking small h taking from the first subgroup and h taking from the second subgroup and then multiplying both of them by the operation, by the group operation that is defined for h and k, right? Then the order of this new set which we have defined hk, it would be calculated by knowing the order of h multiplied with the order of k, right, divided by the order of the intersection of these two subgroups h and k. Right, so this is the result with us. So in order to understand this result, we have an example with us. So in this example, they are saying show that a group of order 75. So we have given a group whose order is given to be 75. So they are saying it cannot have two subgroups which would both have order 25, right? So we will make use of this result here in order to prove this thing. So let's see how. So for the proof, what we do, we first of all consider two subgroups H and K such that each one of them is having order 25, right? So if we have it like this and there is no problem in the proof ahead, then we will say that both of them had order 25. However, if that is not so, we would have some contradiction here in the proof ahead. So let's see how. Now first of all, because we know the order of H intersection K, it divides the order of H according to this thing, right? Because obviously the intersection would have lesser elements as H, because this intersection H intersection K is a subset of H. It is either equal to H or it is a subset of H, right? So therefore in this case the number of elements which are present here would be lesser than as compared to the number of elements which are present here, right? So we are very easily saying that the order here would divide the order of the subgroup H here. So because it divides the order of H, which is 25, so we may have the factors of 25, which is 25, which is 5, and which is 1, right? So therefore it implies either this is 25, it is 5 or 1. So let's take just 5 or 1 here. If the order of this intersection H intersection K is 5, in that case what would be the order of HK? The order of HK is obtained because we have assumed the order of H as 25, the order of K also as 25, right? And we are now considering the order of H intersection K as 5. First of all, if this order is 5, right, so we can substitute the value 5 here. So 25 into 25 is 625, divided by 5 is 125. So that means the order of HK comes out to be 125 in this case. And in the second case, if we take this, the order of this intersection as 1, it contains only one element, which is obviously the identity element. In that case the order of HK would comes out to be 625. However, both of these quantities, they are absurd. Why? Because initially we had our group G which is having order 75, and we are taking two subgroups of this group H and K and we are multiplying both of these subgroups together. So obviously this HK would form a subset of this group G, right? So therefore it would have this HK would have lesser number of elements than those present in G. So therefore obviously the order here of HK would be less than equal to 75, which is the order of G. So but however in both the cases we are either getting 265 or we are getting 125 as the order, which is not correct. So that means the both of these cases, they are not possible. So that means the intersection has to be has to have order 25. If now the intersection of H and K have 25 orders, so that means this intersection contain how many elements? 25 elements in total, right? And H is also having 25 elements, K is also having 25 elements. So that means all the elements of H and K, they are same to each other. Why? Because then only they are present in the intersection, right? So that means this H and K, they are both equal to each other. So that means we have considered two different subgroups of the group which is having order 75, such that the order of each of these subgroup is 25. So that is not possible. So there is just only one subgroup such that we have order 25 of that particular subgroup. So in the next video we shall be looking at the proof of this theorem. So I hope you understood this result well. Well, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching.